Hello, friends. It's day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas. So excited. Can't believe Christmas is coming. I love Christmas, in case you couldn't tell. I'm going to show you what we made on day 1. We made some cute little gift tags. Very sweet. And on day 2, we made a gorgeous Christmas card with the delicate baubles dies. Yesterday, on day 3, we made a gift card holder from a bag. Fun. So I hope you're following along. Hey, Barb, if you haven't, then you can always go to Paper Made Prettier on YouTube and catch my video recordings also on this Facebook group. The videos are still here, so just scroll down and look for the different days of Christmas. We are on day 4, okay, so we're going to be going through the 17th. I added it up today. I love it if you like and share these videos. That helps other people see our fun videos and helps me in my business. So I hope you'll find the time to do that. Let's get started. All right, we're going to make this cute card with the Christmas to Remember stamp set, as well as the Scalloped Contours Dies. So let us scroll down, not scroll down, point down our camera onto our page. So we've got Barb here. It's so good to see you, Barb. I always love it when you watch my videos. And if anyone else is here, let us know. All right, let's see, make sure you can see all that. All right, so super cute and simple card today. And I want to focus on 2 things regarding this card. Number 1, the Christmas to Remember stamp set. So I'm not sure if you have the perfect Christmas greeting set, but I think this is one. It has greetings of all different sizes, okay? And they're wonderful in what they say. Friends like you, love and joy. May this be as Christmas to remember and cherish. I love magic is in the air and 'tis the season. Of course, the standard Merry Christmas season's greetings. So you've got those. Haha, yes, learning a lot. You make beautiful cards, Barb. So the dies that are bundled with this actually are gorgeous. They're called Christmas Pine Cones dies. And, oh, they're so wonderful. And if you'll stay to the end, I'm going to show you some really gorgeous projects made with that bundle. But let's do this cute one first. All right. So you're going to start with some evergreen cardstock. And you are going to, that's 5.5 by 8.5, score it 4 1/4. Fold that in half. Now, this is one of the secrets to this card. I love using our designer paper. It is adorable. And this particular set of designer paper is called Painted Christmas, okay? And it is pictured here in the catalog on the same pages as these stamp sets. The fun news about this paper is it is good through, it will be continued next year. So that's fun. It's really pretty. It is hand painted by artists at Stampin' Up, which is exciting. But we're going to let that be the focal point of this card, and then we're going to include this gorgeous stamp set. Now, something you may not know is when you see this highlighted, like see how that's white around that stamp set, okay? Remember last time we talked about I don't know what time it was, but we talked about the dies, I think it was at card class, that go with Christmas season. They're called painted labels dies. No, seasonal labels dies. So this is one of those suites where everything kind of crosses. Like these dies that go with this stamp set also go with this stamp set, and these dies go great with that. So you basically need them both. But when you see the white outline like that, that means that it coordinates with a die set. But we're using something different today called Scalloped Contours Dies. Now, if you make a lot of cards and you're on Pinterest, you're going to be like, where are these dies coming from? Everyone is using them. We've got scalloped, just like our days, but then also this edging die, which is really my favorite. And I'll show you these dies. These are from the annual catalog. These are not brand new, but they are gorgeous. And I've got one on loan out for somebody that's prepping some classes for me. But there's this one that we used here, but then you've got one that's a little bit smaller, and then we're using this one for the die for our sentiment. So this is how I cut out the designer paper, and then this little guy is how I cut out this crumb cake piece. And you'll see even this little simple sentiment piece has little holes and also little like lines on it. It's just an extra level of detail that Stampin' Up! Provides for our gorgeous dies. So we are simply going to take this designer paper, pop it up with dimensionals, and we're going to put one in the middle because that's a lot. That's a pretty big space to fill. So let's just center that. Voila. And I'm going to go ahead and poke that out, that little piece. I know that was bugging some of y'all. And because it's designer paper, you can cut a few of these at a time. So you can cut a number of these. And I love these dies so much, the Scalloped Contours dies, that I have 2 sets. So when I really love a die set, I just get 2, because when I cut for my classes, it makes it go twice as fast. All right. So now we're going to choose our favorite sentiment from our set. And I love this Love and Joy Come to You. May it last the whole year through. So we are going to pull that out. And find a block. I've got a smattering of things out of the viewing area here. Covering up my block. All right, the stamp color I'm going to use is called Evening Evergreen. That's the same color that's in our base of our card, and it's a wonderful color for sentiments, okay? It's like a green neutral, if you will. So we are going to stamp that here. It fits just perfectly in that space. Looks like it needs a little ink. All right, so fantastic. Love that. That is going to pop up here with dimensionals. You can see just by running that scallop contour die through your designer paper, you could pop out so many cards in a flash with that and be ready for Christmas if you're sending multiple Christmas cards. And I hope you are. All right, we're going to finish this. Ooh, that is crooked. We're going to finish this off with the same ribbon we used yesterday, the Evergreen, Evening Evergreen. This is just a little tip. To keep your ribbon from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, you're going to put a pin in it. Stick a pin in it. And that keeps it from going cuckoo. All right, so tying your bow. I love tying freehand bows. I can do them in my sleep. I just think it's so cute. The card's just not complete unless it has a pretty bow, especially at Christmas. All right, so we're going to pop that right there. Now, I want to show 2 options. One, the Red Rhinestones. I love the way that looks. I think it's stunning. Red for Christmas is fantastic. Let's see what these faceted gems look like here. Actually, make sure. Yeah. We'll go faceted gems here. This is what we It's just kind of a different look. Got a big finger. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. Like it. They just give a little sparkle to it, and just get them on these four corners, and your card is complete. So one extra touch that I won't do on the video is you can add a crumb cake layer on the inside for writing, since it's so dark. You obviously can't write on that very easily. So you can make these cards in a flash with the Scalloped Contour Dies and the Christmas to Remember stamp set, as well as the Painted Season, Painted Christmas Designer paper, and Christmas to Remember. Now, the ordering special has changed. Free all the way till the end of the 12 Days of Christmas on December 17th. So make sure and get your order in. The link that is included here includes the host code. If you join my email list, you'll get all 12 PDFs. Make sure and fill out the door prize form each day for a drawing the next day. Like and share this video, and we're going to have a grand prize drawing at the end for this Holly Jolly Wishes stamp set for the likers and the sharers. So that'll be super fun. And here are the item codes for some of the main products that we use today. I hope you enjoyed this video, making this gorgeous day of Christmas. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.